today I'm gonna show you a simple way, a recipe for our salmon here. Do you know that research suggests that the omega-3 fats in salmon and other fatty fish may promote weight loss and decrease belly fat and overweight individuals. Salmon, mackerel, tuna, and other varieties of fatty fish are rich in protein and omega-3. A winning combination of salty and fatty burning that support a healthy weight control. And in our recipe, we just need a few ingredients. We have some mangoes, and you know what? Mangoes is also help lose a kilo. Mangoes can form an important part of the diet. However, it has to be coupled with other fruits. Like for example, we have avocado. And I have also some onions. I prefer to use red onions and ginger. And we have some potatoes. I will gonna boil some potato. You can chop like this, or whole potato, or mashed potato. Yeah. So first thing we have to do is just to heat our pan. It needs to be a moderate heat, not so high and not so low. In cooking salmon, it's nice to use olive oil. You can use coconut oil, but olive oil is the best. Don't need just a little bit, don't need a lot. And here is our salmon with salt on the top and ground pepper. Yeah, here are our ingredients: mango, red onions, ginger, avocado, lemon, flax, olive oil, and potatoes. So we start cooking our salmon. Make sure that your pan is warm enough so it will not stick in your pan. Yeah, just like this. And we just have to wait when it's hot. If it's going to cook in this side, up to this side, then we can turn our salmon. While waiting our salmon ready, so we can boil our potatoes. Just put some salt and olive oil. And just like that. So easy. We can make also our salad. Mango, avocado, ginger, and onions. So looks delicious. And you can use lemon juice. Instead for vinegar, you can use lemon. Okay. Then you can put some, you can add some oil, olive oil. Ooh. And salt. Now our salmon is ready to turn brown. So it will not stick in your pan when it's just like this. Potatoes are ready. Now our potatoes is ready. So we put some little bit of olive oil, salt, and if you want, parsley. Yes, so it's ready for our salmon. Ready to mix our food. Healthy lunch. Salmon, potatoes, or salad. Mango and avocado. Ooh. And if you like, you can have some tomatoes.